Starfish, or sea stars, are among the most iconic and intriguing creatures inhabiting our oceans, belonging to the phylum Echinodermata, which also includes sea urchins, sea cucumbers, and sand dollars. Starfish are not fish at all, but echinoderms with a unique radial symmetry and remarkable biological adaptations. With over 2,000 species spread across the world's oceans, from shallow coastal waters to the deep sea, starfish exhibit incredible diversity in form, function, and ecological role. This essay delves into the biology, ecology, behavior, and cultural significance of starfish, shedding light on why these marine animals captivate scientists and enthusiasts alike. Starfish are instantly recognizable by their star-shaped bodies, typically featuring 5 arms radiating from a central disc, though some species boast up to 40 arms. This radial symmetry allows them to move and interact with their environment in any direction, a trait that sets them apart from bilaterally symmetrical animals like fish or mammals. Their bodies are covered by a hard, calcified skin made of ossicles, small, bony plates that provide protection while allowing flexibility. Beneath their tough exterior lies a unique hydraulic system known as the water vascular system, a hallmark of echinoderms. At the tip of each arm, tiny tube feet, suction cup-like structures, extend and retract to help the starfish crawl across the ocean floor, cling to surfaces, or capture prey. These tube feet are remarkably versatile, enabling precise movements despite the absence of a brain. Their water vascular system facilitates gas exchange, with seawater entering through a sieve-like structure called the madreporite on the upper surface. Many species employ a remarkable feeding strategy. They everett their stomachs out of their mouths to envelop and digest prey externally. If a starfish loses an arm, whether to a predator or injury, it can regrow the limb over time. This regenerative capacity has made starfish a subject of interest in biological research, offering insights into tissue regeneration and potential applications in medical science. Starfish inhabit every ocean on Earth, from the icy waters of the Arctic to the tropical reefs of the Pacific. They thrive in a range of habitats, including rocky shores, coral reefs, seagrass beds, and deep-sea trenches. Their adaptability is reflected in their diverse forms. For instance, the cushion star resembles a plump, rounded pillow, while the sunflower star, one of the largest starfish species, can grow up to a meter in diameter with 24 arms. Each species has evolved unique adaptations to suit its environment. The crown-of-thorns starfish, for example, is infamous for its venomous spines and voracious appetite for coral, which can devastate reef ecosystems when populations surge. In contrast, the brittle star, a close relative, has long, slender arms that allow rapid snake-like movement across the ocean floor. This diversity underscores the evolutionary success of echinoderms, which have thrived for over 500 million years. Starfish play a critical role in marine ecosystems, often acting as keystone species, organisms that have a disproportionate impact on their environment relative to their abundance. By preying on herbivores like sea urchins or competing species like mussels, starfish help maintain the balance of intertidal and subtidal communities. For example, the removal of starfish from certain rocky shore ecosystems has led to mussel overgrowth, which crowds out other species and reduces biodiversity. However, starfish can also have negative ecological impacts. The crown-of-thorns starfish, when its population booms due to factors like nutrient runoff or reduced predation, can decimate coral reefs in places like Australia's Great Barrier Reef. These outbreaks have prompted conservation efforts to control their numbers through culling or promoting natural predators like the giant Triton snail. Starfish also contribute to nutrient cycling. As scavengers and predators, they break down organic matter, redistributing nutrients in the marine food web. Their feeding habits help keep ecosystems dynamic, preventing any one species from dominating. Starfish exhibit fascinating behaviors that reflect their adaptability. While they move slowly, typically a few centimeters per minute, their tube feet allow them to navigate complex terrain, such as rocky crevices or coral branches. Some species are nocturnal, hiding during the day to avoid predators like fish, crabs, or seabirds. Others, like the sunflower star, are surprisingly fast and agile for their size, chasing down prey with remarkable determination. Reproduction in starfish is equally diverse. Most species are dioecious, meaning they have separate males and females and females and females and females, though some are hermaphroditic. Starfish reproduce sexually by releasing eggs and sperm into the water, where fertilization occurs externally. A single female can release millions of eggs in a spawning event, increasing the chances of successful fertilization. The resulting larvae, known as bipinnaria or brachiolaria, drift as plankton before settling on the ocean floor and metamorphosing into juvenile starfish. Asexual reproduction is also common, particularly in species like the Lynchia genus, which can regenerate from fragments. This dual reproductive strategy enhances their resilience, allowing populations to recover even after significant predation or environmental stress. Starfish have captured human imagination for centuries, appearing in art, mythology, and literature across cultures. Their star-shaped form has made them symbols of guidance, regeneration, and resilience. In coastal communities, starfish are often featured in folklore or used as decorative motifs in jewelry and crafts. Their striking appearance also makes them popular in aquariums, though their specific care requirements, such as precise water conditions, make them challenging to maintain. Scientifically, starfish are valuable subjects for studying evolution, regeneration, and marine ecology. Their ancient lineage provides clues about the development of complex life forms, while their regenerative abilities offer potential insights into tissue repair and stem cell research. Additionally, starfish serve as bioindicators, with their sensitivity to changes in water quality or temperature signaling broader environmental shifts, such as ocean acidification or warming due to climate change. Despite their resilience, starfish face significant threats. Climate change poses a major risk, as rising ocean temperatures and acidification weaken their calcified skeletons and disrupt their habitats. Pollution, including plastic debris and chemical runoff, can harm starfish and their prey. Overfishing of predators or competitors can also lead to ecological imbalances, as seen in crown-of-thorns outbreaks. Starfish wasting disease, a devastating condition linked to bacterial infections and possibly warmer waters, has decimated populations in regions like the Pacific Northwest. Affected starfish develop lesions, lose arms, and disintegrate, with mass die-offs altering local ecosystems. Conservation efforts focus on monitoring populations, mitigating pollution, and protecting habitats like coral reefs and kelp forests. Starfish are far more than just pretty ocean ornaments. They are complex, resilient creatures that play vital roles in marine ecosystems. Their unique anatomy, diverse adaptations, and ecological significance make them a subject of endless fascination. From their hydraulic-powered tube feet to their regenerative superpowers, starfish embody the wonders of evolutionary biology. Yet they also face challenges in a changing world, reminding us of the delicate balance of marine ecosystems. By studying and protecting starfish, we not only preserve a remarkable species, but also gain deeper insights into the health of our oceans and the intricate web of life they support. Whether admired on a rocky shore or studied in a lab, starfish continue to shine as one of nature's most extraordinary creations.